Opposition leader Nelson Chamisa has lashed out at Zimbabwe's electoral system today, decrying rottenness everywhere and alleging widespread corruption. Nelson Chamisa pointed to a recent incident where an aspiring political candidate allied to President Mnangagwa was implicated in a questionable transaction with the Electoral Commission. Despite losing the election, the candidate's proxy, Sengezo Chabangu, successfully recalled the winning candidate, allowing the political conman to snatch the seat contested. "This rottenness must be ended," Chamisa exclaimed, vowing to fight against the corrupt system. "The extent of rottenness and corruption stings to the high heavens. It's a fish rotting from the head." Chamisa's comments come after a contentious election season in Zimbabwe last year, with allegations of electoral irregularities and fraud. The opposition leader has been vocal in his criticism of the Electoral Commission, which he has dubbed the Electoral Omission, and President Mnangagwa's government. The incident in question involves the recall of CCC MPs, including those that were elected August 2023 elections, which Chamisa claims was orchestrated by Chabangu and an ally of President Mnangagwa's ruling party. Chamisa's statements have sparked outrage and calls for reform among his supporters, who see the electoral system as flawed and corrupt. The opposition leader's vow to fight against the rottenness has energized his base and raised questions about the future of Zimbabwe's democracy.